English Italian, can equals.
Potere.
From, I can, to, they can. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and extras. Today you'll master the English modal, can, in Italian as.
Potere.
We'll keep it lively with jokes, rhythm, and quick wins, so you can speak right away. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently say what you can do, in Italian. You will map, can.
Potere.
And speak all core forms. We cover, can, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, plural, they can. Key Italian targets.
Posso. Puoi. Può. Lei può. Possiamo. Potete. Possono.
Forms fast track.
Potere.
Say them out loud with me, fast and friendly. Can equals.
Potere.
I can equals.
Posso.
You can, singular, equals.
Puoi.
He can equals.
Può.
She can equals.
Lei può.
It can equals.
Può.
We can equals.
Possiamo.
You can, plural, equals.
Potete.
They can equals.
Possono.
Mini dialogue. Quick wins with.
Posso.
And friends. Act it out, smile, speak, and own it. You, can you help me? Say.
Puoi aiutarmi?
Friend. Yes, I can. Say.
Sì. Posso.
You. Great, we can start now. Say.
Ottimo. Possiamo iniziare adesso.
Narrator. He can join later. Say.
Lui può venire più tardi.
Narrator. She can drive. Say.
Lei può guidare.
Tech note. It can be slow sometimes. Say.
A volte può essere lento.
To a group. You can sit here. Say.
Potete sedervi qui.
Crowd chant. They can do it. Say.
Possono farcela.
Call and response rhythm drill. Clap or tap along. Repeat after me for speedy recall. I can.
Posso.
You can, singular.
Puoi.
He can.
Può.
She can.
Lei può.
It can.
Può.
We can.
Possiamo.
You can, plural.
Potete.
They can.
Possono.
Can, the base.
Potere.
Culture tip. Permission versus ability. You'll hear Italians use can for both ability and permission. Remember.
Potere.
Covers can for ability and permission. For one friend use.
Puoi.
For a group use.
Potete.
For polite, formal, you use.
Può.
Also listen for the classic movie line, si può fare, it can be done. Quick quiz time. Answer out loud, then I'll give you the solution. Translate. I can swim. Answer.
Posso nuotare.
Translate. You can, singular, call me later. Answer.
Puoi chiamarmi più tardi.
Translate. He can wait. Answer.
Lui può aspettare.
Translate. She can help. Answer.
Lei può aiutare.
Translate. It can rain in summer. Answer.
Può piovere in estate.
Translate. We can start now. Answer.
Possiamo iniziare ora.
Translate, to a group, you can enter. Answer.
Potete entrare.
Translate, they can finish today. Answer.
Possono finire oggi.
Challenge and warm goodbye. Ready for a playful push? Challenge. Record a 20-second monologue using at least 5 forms. Say can, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, plural, they can, with
Posso. Puoi. Può. Lei può. Possiamo. Potete. Possono.
bonus. Include the base.
Potere.
Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, have fun, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. You've got this. See.
Puoi.